Hey, good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Toyota Sienna LE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch. These clamps keep the ramp from rattling. They're a great design. I flip and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 43-inch wide ramp with ease. It's about 13 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry, a van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we sell full size, we sell trucks, SUVs. If we don't have it on our lot, we can probably find it for you, or I might have it getting it ready. We have over 85 vehicles on the lot today ready to go, so check us out. As I enter the van, got, like I mentioned, 1,000-pound weight capacity, got about 56 inches of headroom inside the van, then about 57 once you're inside the van. It does taper at about 42 inches of width here where the ramp sets, and this is the deep cut, so it'll hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or the gurney or the stretcher. Got your spare tire over here. We've got our 8 tie down points. We have upgraded Q-strength tie downs. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We do it at no cost. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples when you compare us. Got your cup holders in the rear. Headliner looks great. Have our rear air controls over here. And you'll see in our pictures has a flip base seat. So this can fold down to a bench seat. Holds 3, so you can hold 2 up front, 3 in the second row, and a wheelchair in back. So 5 plus a wheelchair. Or you can do flip up an option of seats, however you want to do it. Possibly hold 2 wheelchairs. The seat doesn't stick out very far. Very simple to do. Got your center console here, plug-ins for your passengers in the rear, cup holders, and even more cup holders. Got your dual climate control, your rear air, your backup camera. Dash is in great shape. Only 8,370 miles on this van. And you can operate all your power sliding doors up there as well. When you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process, and you are ready to go. Again, one finger. Check it out. Now, our brand new conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do. That's what's fine. That's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them say no warranty. A lot of them will say 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some will say 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare that to 3-year unlimited miles. You tell me who has the best built conversion. Pretty simple math, right? Tinted windows, got your roof rack, got your alloy wheels. These are Michelin tires. They're darn near brand new, just like the rest of this van. Things been kept in a time capsule, kept in great shape. As I do a walk around, you can see the body's nearly flawless. I'm looking for little scratches or nicks in the paint. They are hard to find. And you hear me talk all the time how we would save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your wheelchair vans compared to the competition. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. We have one central location right here in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Saves you money. The other thing is, I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20, 40 locations. I want you to imagine all of their overhead every month compared to our one. You know, literally millions of dollars in some cases. That's how we beat their prices by so much money. We have low overhead, high production. We keep it simple. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. Why say that? You know, Facebook Marketplace, for example, which is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. They'll take my pictures, they'll cut out my sign. Facebook won't stop them. There's nothing I can do about it. And they'll put a van like this on the internet for $20,000 for a $2,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to scam someone out of that $2,000 deposit. So no matter who you buy from, you tell them I want a video of the VIN number on the van. Because these people don't have these vans, they just steal pictures. So my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and I have this van right here in my possession. These scammers couldn't do that because they don't have the vans. They couldn't provide the picture and video of that VIN number. So make sure you get that, protect yourself. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single vehicle before we buy it, Carfax shows one owner, does show minor damage previously. I'm going to show that to you, nothing major. Carfax shows no total loss, no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner with a clean title. Carfax shows there's never been structural damage, no frame damage. Shows airbags have never deployed. Odometer's accurate. And as we scroll down here, it does show in June 2023, so over a year ago, It says minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. And it says very minor damage. You know, maybe someone bumped into them in the parking lot, you know, the end of their bumper, maybe they got a new bumper or something like that. I am not afraid to buy a vehicle that's had a bumper painted, but like it shows, no frame damage and airbags have not deployed. And as far as the warranty, Carfax shows the vehicle went into service January 9th, 2020. So it meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Toyota until January 9th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,576 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I'd say that's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they're a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. You can see here we are. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from, you know, private individuals, you know, off the internet. Or they end up buying from the dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle that has a salvage title they weren't told about, and that's been in a really bad accident, and or ones that have been in a flood they weren't told about, or vehicles with major mechanical issues, you know, bad engine, bad transmission. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been building a reputation for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. It's got the 2 keys, 2 fobs, and I forgot to mention earlier, it does have power sliding doors. You can operate from the key fobs or inside the vehicle from back here, or from also up top on the console there. Got the power driver's seat, works great. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you do decide you want to operate these doors manually, you know, for non-emergency medical transport, hit the button there. They'll open and shut manually, nice and quick. When I go to start up the van, only 8,370 miles. Fires right up, and you'll see there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. Got your backup camera like I mentioned, and I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've checked all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you those windows and mirrors moving here. We checked the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, replaced fluids as necessary, looked over the tires, taking these on a road test. My point is, and I hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot and then send them down the road and say it's someone else's problem. We inspect these vehicles very thorough before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and remember, it's still under the full powertrain specs for the full powertrain warranty from Toyota. Underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage or showing any flood damage, and no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 8,000 miles on it, they assume because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's never been a bad accident or a flood. That's the most dangerous thing you can do in buying a new vehicle, or buying any vehicle. Let me give you an example. I see vehicles all the time at auction that are brand new vehicles that have been through a flood. The dealer will take them to auction, they'll dump them off and make them someone else's problem. My point is, if brand new vehicles can have flood damage, imagine what a 2020 can have, all the things it can have. So no matter who you do business with, go check out my competition. I don't mind it, do it. I don't care if it's a dealer, I don't care if it's another individual. Do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage that shows no signs of any flood damage, no signs of an accident. Do they get up on the roof and take pictures and video of the roof so you can see no hail damage up there, no holes drilled in the roof from being a taxi? You have no idea how many vehicles I see at auction, the roofs are damaged, but no one checks the roofs. That's why the sellers don't fix the roof. Know who checks the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who checks the roof, and you should too. So tell me what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle you can't get a title for, or it's got frame damage from an accident or a flood. In both those cases, and in many more, if you can't get it titled, registered, it won't pass inspection, you can't drive it. You just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid these problems and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a handbag off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because they are the best bin inspection there is. I want to inspect every vehicle before I buy it, and you should too. Demand that Carfax report. Third, get online, check out reputations and reviews, find out who you're buying from. Don't get scammed. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, we got a conversion warranty on this van. We have respect for the powertrain warranty from Toyota as well. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty, and I told you I do, and I will show you the roof. You better believe I do. Everything looks good up here. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video, I like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Toyota home. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problem. It's got the lane departure warning, so if I start to drift out of my lane, it's going to beep at me to let me know to get back into my lane. So that's what you heard, that little beep there. It's a good safety feature to have. Also has the adaptive cruise control, will give me a safe following distance from the past vehicles in front of me. A lot of great safety features on this van. Do keep in mind, we have a complimentary, our warranty specs for the powertrain from Toyota. We also have the conversion warranty as well. We do sell long-term extended warranties. They're very affordable on these Toyotas. Factory type warranties that go as far as 8 years. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online, but they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they have document fees, they have tag fees, they have freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees and by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you. What else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? I want to show you that radio is working. Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Runs and drives like a brand new van. Now keep in mind, by the way, the blinking you see on the screen here, it's just how the camera picks it up. It's not doing that in real life, it's just how camera picks up screens sometimes. But if you'd like to give us a call, or preferably a text message, text is the fastest way to get a hold of us. Anyone of my staff can reply as soon as possible. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to call or text us. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or to get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back. Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Toyota whether you buy it or not. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can call you up and take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you would like to come in and see our inventory, we welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. We have 3 different locations. We keep vans. Help us stay organized. Help us get you taken care of as quickly as we possibly can. So call, text, make that appointment. And if you would, if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, no hidden fees, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, home of affordable wheelchair accessible vans, and hope you have a wonderful day.